Hello guys, क्या हाल है? So tell me something. Have you ever wondered how does ChatGPT know the answer to literally every question you ask? Or how does Instagram magically knows that you love watching cricket reels or keep showing you Virat Kohli sixes? Does AI have brain? Does it go to school? Does it have tutor? So, well, technically, yes, AI does go to school, but the school is called training, and its teachers are us and lot of data. Today, we are going to break down exactly how AI learns, and trust me, it is easier than your math homework. चलो शुरू करते हैं. The first thing first, if you want to learn chemistry, you need a textbook, right? You read the chapter and that's your information. For AI, the information is called data and AI is hungry for data. It means bhukkad level hungry. For example, if you want if you want an AI to recognize a cricket bat, what do? You tell you just don't tell it, hey, it is cricket bat. You show it 10,000 picture of a bat, different sizes, different color, different angle. 10,000 is just a random number I am taking. Similarly, if you want AI to speak Hindi or Tamil, you feed it millions of Bollywood movie script, WhatsApp chat, and news article. The rule: the more data equal to more smarter AI. So there are three types of learning. The first one is called supervised learning. How does actually AI process the data? There are different ways. Let's start with the most common. Imagine you are preparing for your JEE exam or board exam. You solve a math problem, then you check the answer at the back of the book. If the answer match, awesome, it's correct. If it is doesn't, then it's not correct. Right? This is called supervised learning. We have given AI a question and it give a correct answer. We will tell this is cat, this is not a dog. When AI, let's revisit the example. Suppose we have trained an AI by 10,000 picture of dog and cats, and we give the AI a question and it give a correct answer, then it's fine. And if doesn't give the correct answer, then we tell it that its answer is wrong. So it learn itself. We show a thousand of email and say this is spam, this is not spam. So over time it learn the pattern and automatically puts those in spam folder for you. That is called supervised learning. It learn from example. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is AI doesn't have any teacher or answer keys as we have in the math book. So, what if a dump of massive pile of data is there and it say figure out yourself? That is unsupervised learning. So, if you can see, there are lots of data. Data basically which in form of sweets, which is mixed. Now, there is no teacher for AI. to how to supervise this, and the AI will look at the shape and color, and it will group the round orange one laddus, the curly orange one jalebis, and dark brown one gulab jamun together. It doesn't know the name, but it found the pattern. So we have thrown 500 Indian sweet on the table, like laddu, jalebi, and gulab jamun, and all mixed up. And I don't tell the AI names; it just say group the similar one, and what it does, it group the similar type of object together. So it learn from the pattern of the data. That is unsupervised learning. We'll take another example of Netflix or YouTube recommendation. AI doesn't know if you like action movie or not, or you are a action movie fan or a comedy fan. But what it look, what other people watched, KGF also watched. Find the pattern and suggest you कि अगर ये पसंद आ रहा है तो ये भी पसंद आएगा. Similarly, when you go shopping in Amazon, they will recommend some other product apart from what you are buying. That is recommendation system that is based on pattern, which is called unsupervised learning. Now we'll move next to the reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is the coolest way the AI learn. It's called reinforcement learning. कैसे? Let's explain. Think how you learn a mobile game like Free Fire or Clash of Clans. You don't read a 500-page manual before playing it, right? You just play it, you make a mistake, you die, you learn, then you kill an enemy, get the point, that is reward. When you die, you lose a point, that is punishment. AI does the exact same thing. AI, when you put a game environment, if it does the right thing, we give a reward 1 point. If does the wrong thing, we give a punishment -1 point. Over time, just you learn to survive in longer in a game. AI learn the best path to get the maximum reward. Example, Waymo driverless car, or even Google AlphaGo, which beat the world champion in super complex board. The AI crashes thousand times in a virtual simulation before it ever drove on a real world. So it learns from its mistake. It does the mistake, learn from mistake, and correct it. That's what reinforcement learning is about. Learning from the mistakes. Now let's have a quick summary. So we learn about three. AI need data to learn. That is number one thing. Number two thing, AI learn with the help of teacher or answer key, that is called supervised learning. Okay. That there is some external help is given to AI to learn. That is supervised learning. Unsupervised learning, there is no help is provided to AI. It learn on its own by finding the hidden pattern. That is unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning, AI learn by trial and error, getting rewards and penalties for good and bad move. That is reinforcement learning. So next time when you use ChatGPT or watch a reel on Instagram, remember it's not magic. It's just computer that eaten thousand of data and make million of mistakes and correct it itself. AI is not born smart. It is smart just like you. Thank you.